Now, in this tutorial, we're going to deliver a second version of the group by function. Okay, group by, let's do year. Okay, then we're going to call our data set 6 trucks, tier for date. Okay, then the values is going to be, let's see, trucks, then quantity. Let's close bracket, and then the function is going to be sum. Then field headers, I don't like, I don't care. No total, yeah, no total. Right, so order -2, descending, and then the filter array is going to be C tracks, location, procedure, just close and click on sign. Let's go. There we go. Good. Now we have our keeper, number JK, Huni, etc. Okay, let's Control Shift, arrow down, Control Shift 1, and there we go. This is the year, this is the quantity. Okay, Control A, we're going to insert a chart. Let's do this one. So a simple chart. Okay, something is not working well. Right click, and select data. We're going to remove this one, and our x-axis is going to be the years. Click OK. Click on Error. Years will be removed. Okay, and there we go. Okay. Yeah, pretty much this is it. Thank you.